is Lamin Jassi. I come from Senegambia, and I've been playing djembe all of my life, and I've been living in England now for 20 years, and over 20 years I taught a lot of people, and I just want to share the knowledge I have and exchange with you, and in the future you can play like me. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to put them 3 tones together. The first one is this one, if you remember, and the second one is this one, and the third one is this one. That means even just that, it can make your own tune. You don't have to depend on people's tune. It can make your own tune. Then 1, 2, 3. Again. Let me slow version. Okay. I'm doing the first break. Spending time teaching people, and become good player. What you have to do, practice and have fun and be happy, and I hope so when you do that, it's not going to take you more than 10 minutes. You play like me, okay?